In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a formula in Airtable. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable dashboard. This is the main home screen where you can see all of your workspaces and bases. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so you can access the base you want to work with. Once your dashboard has loaded, look through your list of bases and click on the one where you'd like to add a formula. A base in Airtable is like a project or a database that holds one or more tables. Go ahead and select the base that contains the table where you want your new calculated field to appear. Inside the base, you'll see your table with all its fields across the top. To add a new formula field, move your cursor to the far right side of your existing fields, along the header row. You'll notice a small plus icon. Click on that plus icon to create a brand new field. A window will pop up asking you to choose the type of field you want to add. From the list of field types, click on Formula. This tells Airtable that this field will not store manual data, but instead will calculate its value from other fields or values. Next, you'll see a field configuration panel, including a box where you can define your formula. Click into the formula input area. If you already know the formula you want to use, you can type it directly here, using Airtable's formula syntax and referencing other fields by their names. As you type, Airtable may suggest functions or highlight errors, which can help you get the formula right. If you're not sure how to write the formula yourself, Airtable also offers an option to create a formula with AI. Click on Create Formula with AI. A prompt box will appear where you can describe what you want in plain language. For example, you might type something like count the number of assigned tasks. After you've written your instructions, click on Create Formula. Airtable's AI will translate your description into a working formula and insert it into the formula field for you. You can quickly glance over it to make sure it matches your intention. When you're happy with the formula, the last step is to save this new field. Click on Create Field. Airtable will add the formula field to your table, and you'll see the calculated values appear in that new column based on your existing data.